Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about a new transformation operation called zip that can be applied to lists. Let's get started. So the zip operation will try to combine, let's say, two lists of the same size using the same positions. It will create another list, returning red with this one, green with 2, and refactor with the 3. That's why we call it zip. So here, let's print something. It will print test. And let's call .zip. So this will apply to iterables and arrays. Any iterable you can work with. And let's return numbers here. As you can see, if you go to the zip here, it will see it's an infix function. So you can do like the following. Let's run it. And here you will see the return will be a list. And we have pairs here. We have red with the 1, green with the 2, and so on. But let's say that I'm having a list larger than 1 second list. Let's say that I'm having here 4 elements. By default, the result of the operation will be to the smaller collection. So it will be 3. And it will discard the latest element. So if you run it, we'll see basically the same thing. But if we move this 4 in the beginning and run it, it will change. We will have red to 4. Here is the result. Red to 4. So this is something to note about the zip operation. This can become handy in many places. Let's say you will get the users from one endpoint and their avatars or images from another point. So you have a way to combine them, but you have to ensure that you have the right sorting, right? So you have basically the user 1 with the photo number 1 and so on. You can also customize this zip. So this zip by default return a pair of the 2 elements. You can do whatever you want with this 2 pair. Let's do the test. Zip, but with the zip here, I want to take, for example, the first one and the second one. Here is the second one number, and I can provide a lambda. By this lambda, it will get me 2 things here. It will get me A and B, A, which is this one, and B, which is this one, and I can combine them in the way I want. So, for example, here for the strings, I can concatenate them. I can do A plus B, like the following. So, if I run this, as you can see, this is a list of only strings. Here's red 4, green 1, refactor 2. I can make some kind this. It will work. So this comma is for the string and this comma for the collection. So you can provide your custom transformer in order to build something you want. So you can make this as flexible as you like. And the final thing I want to mention here, since we have zip, we have also unzip. So let's say that you have a list of pairs. Okay, so if you run this, this will be a list of pairs, as you can see. Let me just add 3 here, just an example, right? If I want to get this on one list and this on another list, I can do it in many ways. You can do it with the unzip. It will return a pair of 2 lists. It will return the first one will be list of int, the second one will be a list of string. So here, let me just add the result here for the first and the second and run it. So the first one will be a list of ints. The second one will be a list of string, but as you can see, the string won't be shown here. So this is a way to unzip your pairs. If you have a list of pairs, you can unzip them. So this is also a handy operation you can use. Just remember that you have the option of zip and unzip whenever you need it. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Salam alaikum.